It's a Xiaomi 37-watt dual port car charger. So it's actually got two ports. One will do normal 5-volt 2A and then the other one will do fast charging. Let's go ahead and open it up and check it out. In the box, of course, get warranty and instruction manual and of course the charger itself. Here it is, it's finished in sort of a matte color, which is pretty nice. The dual ports feature is actually great. Let's say you have a USB powered dash cam, then you can have your dash cam connected and still charge your phone at the same time, which is good. You can see the fast charge port has been clearly labeled with the orange coloring, so let's go ahead and check it out. It's so fresh, it doesn't even fit. It's gonna need more force. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the power of the car. Oh dang, look at that. It's got a nice glow to it. This nice ring. So we're gonna try the normal port first, just to see if it works. And basically use this app called Ampere to kind of get a reading just to see if the charge actually works. So bad chargers will get like 100, and then mostly I recommend getting at least 500 milliamperes. But you can see it's going about 1000, 1050, just keeps climbing, so that means it's working as intended. But now let's go ahead and try the fast charger. Let's see the new reading. You've got the two lightning bolts here, which on Huawei means it's fast charging, so that's good. And then let's see, obviously fast charging isn't just about the amperes, it's also about the voltage, so this number doesn't tell you everything, but you can see it keeps climbing and it climbs faster than before. Of course, we still have the two lightning bolts, meaning that we're fast charging, so that's great. It works clearly, and I really like this ring that you have around the thing. It looks cool. Should you buy it? Yes, good pricing, and you pretty much never have to buy another one for like the next 5 to 10 years. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for watching.